Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Rajiv Puchola. In this video, let's take a look at confusion matrix. The word itself is like confusing, right? And let's see what is this confusion matrix and how it really helps in the real time. This is one of my favorite concepts. Mm, okay, so let's do the confusion matrix. Okay, I'm taking the data which I used for the recap session. So okay, let's do this one. So let's import this one from Scikit-Learn dot matrix import confusion matrix. Okay, so print confusion matrix of y test vibrates. Okay, let's print this one. What is this one? 99 132, and again this is in a matrix. This is not quite easy for anyone to read, right? So the beauty of being a data scientist or data analytics or a machine learning expert is that representing everything in a beautiful way. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to represent this one in a most beautiful, meaningful way. So let's import this one, matplotlib inline. If you remember all of this one, I have explained this in my first video where we have imported the libraries. So if you see here, the confusion matrix is here. So go back to here, import matplotlib that pyplot as plt. There is no other way, guys. You have to remember this one. Cborn as sns. You practice, 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 and then you'll get it. So I would like to set the font scale to be like 1.5 is fine. Okay, plot dot figure, the figure size. I would like to like 4 by 4 with 4. I mean with base 4 and height 4, and we have sns dot heat map. Let's go into this one. So whatever I have written over here, confusion matrix, I'm going to same right here, confusion matrix y test vibrates. Okay, this looks good. And so what exactly is this? I mean, what's inside this one? So let's keep annotation is equal to true. Okay, so it is representing now. So let's see if the value, if the person has no disease, and our ml model, it has predicted, it said like for one record it said like the person has disease, though the person has no disease. Okay, and and it has predicted nicely for 0019. Whereas a person who has actually really has a disease, it has predicted nicely for 32 people, and for 9 people, though they have disease, it has mentioned like 9. So I mean, now what this zero is representing, how you will get to know. So let's show the title here. What dot show. So basically, this remove this axis one. Why we need this one? Okay, this looks cool. And on plot dot title. So this is a confusion matrix. Confusion matrix. Okay. Okay, the title is good, and maybe I can do 3 by 4 here. This looks good. Nah. So like 3 by 3 we will do. Okay, this looks better. Like 3 by. Okay, and I mean the width and the length, and then what is this x label? Okay, let's do this one. Plot dot x label. So what we first passed here. So y test. This is the actual values. Actual values. And what is second one is the predicted values. Plot dot y label predicted values. Okay, let's run this one. So this looks good. I mean, if you do it, if you check it in, if I people 100% this one, it looks like this nicely. So because I have zoomed in, this looks like kind of weird. So we have actual values, we have the predicted values here. This looks good. And now, mm, okay, what if, I mean, you can also pass something like fmt is equal to dot 2f. If in case if you have decimals and all, right now we don't have decimals, but fyi, there is no differentiation. Okay, So if you have decimals and all, you can do this one, but I don't have any decimals, so this is fine. Um, and now let's change this color. So cmap is equal to blues. This changes the color into blues. And if you don't want this one, why we need this one? This one we don't need. This is called c bar is equal to false. Okay. So if in case if you feel like this is like my favorite color, if you don't want this one, you can also use like yellow, green, blue. So this is also a good one for you to see. Now you can see actual values, predicted values is the title is a confusion matrix. So the person has no disease, but it has predicted the person has disease like 1, which is a wrong value. And the person has no disease, and it has predicted the person has no disease for 19 records. So this is like really good. So out of 20 records, one record it is failing. So, and the person has disease, and it has predicted it has disease. The person has disease for 32 records, which is quite good. And the person has disease, and it has predicted like it has no disease, which is like 9%. This is really bad, right? This is like very much important, guys. I mean, so the intention over here is that even before a person goes for the medical test, which is like quite expensive, they will feed the data like the person height, weight, the maximum heart rate, and everything over here to check whether the person has disease or not disease. Cool. So we have to be careful while developing the model. So this clearly represents what exactly your model, how exactly your model is behaving. Thank you for watching this guide. This is all about the confusion matrix, and in our next videos, I'm going to talk about n estimators. Okay. Thank you, and have a good day.